kids' games.
It's so good to see you! Look how many more cars there are for you! Uh-oh! Something's broken! Drag the scanner to check it out! You're so smart! Super! We need to take parts off the log loader. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? Something is dripping here. Match the keys to the lock by size. Super duper! I knew you could do it! Pick up all the junk with pliers. Super duper! Wonderful! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Keep going. You solved the problem. There's something wrong with the wires. Sorry, I lost my keys. Let's break these locks. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. That's it! Plug the wire into the right place. Start. Circle. Circle. Square. Triangle. Yay! It works! This is where welding comes in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Super! That's it! Put a patch on it. Keep going. Magnificent! Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Keep going. That's it! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. That's it! done! Now help to assemble! Log loader! All done! Let's improve the car! We need to get to the construction site. Keep going. You got a sticker for your great work! Unwrap! Wow! What an amazing sticker! These are the fascinating stickers you collected!